Ladies and gentlemen, these are beautiful. Uh, well, I don't know the name of the word. This bird. In Urdu, we call it Maina, and I think in English it is also known as Maina because this bird is not there in the Europe and other countries. It's found in India and Pakistan, and it's very beautiful. It can produce so many sounds which can compare with so many birds. It has a versatility of producing different sounds. Let me focus. If my camera focuses, yes. I don't want to disturb them either. They're very beautiful, and these are their nests. So many nests over here. You see, they might be having beautiful babies in there, and they are a bit. They're wondering that what am I doing here? What's this human doing here? I'm just trying to picture them up. I'll be uploading it for everybody on the YouTube. Wow, this is very beautiful. Out in the wild. Such a beautiful sight. Let me get close to them. If you carefully listen to their voices, I mean, they're beautiful. The kind of noises they make, I mean, and you know, I have come to know through some people, and I have seen videos on YouTube, that this Maina bird can, learn to talk and to produce different voices, like we humans do. If you search in the YouTube for this Maina birds, you might see that these Maina birds have been raised by people as their pets, and they teach them how to speak different words. They can process different human words.